what I wish I knew before my Windows crashed. It could have saved me hours of headaches. Let's talk must-have tools for Windows installation and fixes. Did you know Microsoft lets you download Windows installation software for free? Yep, all you need is a flash drive. First, buy a flash drive, or as some call it, a pen drive. Then, Google Create Installation Media for Windows and follow the steps to load a complete version of Windows onto your drive. Pro tip: keep an updated version on another flash drive periodically. This way, if an update goes south, you've got a backup. Speaking of updates, they can be tricky. Recently, a Windows update couldn't install because the recovery space was too small. To fix this, you need to increase that space by reallocating some of your drive's space. Check out the Windows Support website for detailed steps. Stay prepared and keep your system running smoothly.